Hello students, welcome to online education of Ashadeep International School, Standard 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 3, Give and Take, Part 1. In this chapter, we are done the sum of addition operations and sum of a subtraction process, right? Addition means give and subtraction means take, right? First one, we are see that I am a kitty. This is my home. See, in this figure, given the kitty's home, right? And in the kitty's home, there are 100 rooms. See, isn't it huge? बहुत बड़ा है. Yes, it's 100 rooms. Help me in a painting the sum of rooms. उसको अपने rooms को paint करना है. How we help her, right? See, how I start from room 2 means वो room 2 से start कर रहा है. Okay, so see. He are starting from room 2, that one, right? 2. Then I add 10 to 2 means 10 plus 2 to reach room 12, right? And paint it, and वो number को हमें room को paint करना है. To add 10 plus 2 we can go all way to the right to 10 means हमें कोई भी रूम तक इजीली पहुंचना है. तो कोई भी नंबर, सपोज नंबर्स लाइक दैट 15 plus 10, so we are getting 25. So painted the room number 25. This is a shortcut to go onwards rooms, right? So one of these shortcuts. Next thing is that then up to 11, one step right to 12, right? See, if we are adding 1 to 10, then up to 11 steps के बाद 11 आने के बाद हमें क्या करना है? 11 के बाद then we are shift one step right means that we are getting 12, right? One step right, so we are getting the number is 12. Okay, the next thing is this is one way to go from 2 to 12 means that are one of the way we are going from room number 2 to 12 means room number 2 से 12 तक जाने का ये एक रास्ता है, right? There are so many shortcuts of like that, but there are some shortcuts are given to here to go from one room to another rooms and wanted to paint that room, right? So in this concept, given that take any numbers and add a 10 on that numbers and go forwards numbers and painted that room, right? This is a one way to go from 2 to 12. This is the one of the way to go from 2 to 12. The next thing is there a shortcut, right? I am already telling that from these pictures, one of the questions, a jump from 2 to 12 is like taking fill in the blanks steps. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps means 2 से 12 तक का हमें जंप करना है, राइट? सो हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स वी आर कवर्ड? सी लाइक दैट 2 से 12 तक का हमें जंप करना है. सो 12 minus 2, so we are getting the 10 answer, right? So total steps is, final answer is 10. Okay, the next thing is one of the small exercise related to that shortcuts, right? And sum of addition subtraction process. First of all, now try one jump up from 14 means now we are trying the jump up from 14 से ऊपर हमें jump करना है, right? तो same way which are we are already learn in the previous concept, adding a 10 in any number. So 14 plus 10, so we are getting the 24, right? So how? See, here also given that in a 3 steps. How? See, first one is a 4, so we are adding 4 plus 10, so we are getting 14. We are add a 40 plus 10, so we are getting 24, right? So 3 way of add a same like that. Okay, I hope all of you understand. First of all 4, then plus 10, so 40, 40 plus 10, so we are getting the 24. Okay, next another question is, how will I go from 22 to 41? How will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 42, then one step left. Means how will I go from 22 to 41? मुझे 22 से 41 तक जाना है, तो how I will go, right? And jump from 22 to 42, then one step left. First of all, we have jumped that 22 to 42, and then after one step to the left, right? So we are, see here, we can write it like this: 22 plus 20 is equal to 42. All of you know that 22 plus 20 is equal to 42. Same way, one step left, right? So 21 plus 20, second step, 21 plus 20 is equal to 41, right? That are a second step, which are given that one step left, right? So here are already see that one step left is a given. First 22 and 21, first step is add in a 22, then after one step left, so we are getting the 21, add the 21 plus 20, so we are getting the 41, right? So see, next thing is that thing is also given here in the form of the table. I am explaining the table how it is a given. That all of you have a questions that 22, then after 32, then after 42, then after 41, right? How write that numbers, right? That numbers are not a serial wise, right? So all of you think that how that numbers are right. Okay, see how it's write the numbers. First one number is a 22, then after number is a 32, then after number is a 42, and then last number is 41, right? So first number is, we are see that first number is 22, right? See 22, then after 32 means 22 plus 10, so we are getting the 32, 32 plus 10, so we are getting 42. And here in the questions already given that the one step left, one step left, right? So 42 minus 1, so we are getting the 41. I hope all of you clear the table how the number is written, right? And same thing for another questions. How many steps did I go in all? Here our answer is a 3 steps. All of you know how many steps did I go in all? Means हमने second question जो है how will I go from 22 to 41, jump from 22 to 42, then one step left. उसमें already मैंने आपको explain किया how step we cover. See again I telling to you how we are calculate the 3 steps, right? I am telling that 22 to 10 is equal to getting 32, 32 to 10 is equal to getting 42. That are steps 1, that are steps 2, and 41 minus 42 minus 1, so we are getting the 41. Okay, so that steps is a third. Okay, so now that way we are conducting 3 steps. Okay, next third question says you could also go this way from 22, take one step left to 21, then 2 jumps up to 41. Means see, all of you see that these two are questions are same. These two questions are same, but write in a different ways. Means go to the number 42 in a different shortcuts, right? So first one we are see that first we are add the 22 plus 20 is equal to getting 42, then 21 plus 20, so we are conducting 41, right? So next here is 22 take a one step left to 21, then 2 jumps up to 41, then 2 jumps up to 41, right? In the first process we are adding the 20, and then after adding a 20 in 22 and 20 in 21, but in the second we are not doing that. First of all, we are write the 22 minus 1, so getting 21. Okay, first of all here given that clearly that from 22 takes a one step left to 21, we are already doing, right? So 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. Okay, the next thing is then 2 jumps up to 41, then 2 jumps up to 41, right? 2 jumps up to 41 means that 21 plus 10, 10 के 2 jumps करेंगे तो 10 is equal to getting 30, 10 31, 31 and again 31 plus 10, so we are getting 41 means we are doing the 2 jumps up to 41. हम 10 टेंस के 2 jumps कर रहे हैं 41 तक पहुंचने के लिए, right? I hope all of you clear about that 3 type of shortcuts questions, right? See, again revise it that first one only 14 add up plus 10 is equal to getting the number 24. Second thing is how will I go from 22 to 41, jump from 22 to 42, then one step left, right? So in the second questions we are doing the first doing the 22 plus 20, so getting 42, again 21, one step left, so we are getting 21 number, so 21 plus 20, so we are getting 41, and same answer in another way we are conducting that here third from 22 take a one step left, so 22 minus 1 is equal to getting 21, and then after 2 jumps to 41, so 21 plus 10 getting 31, 31 plus 10, so getting 41, so 2 jumps are already done, so we are getting the final answer is 41. I hope all of you clear about that type of shortcut questions and shortcut additions. Okay, in that session we are adding the numbers. I hope all of you clear about that concept. Thank you.